If you're seeing Epic Games error code 30004, don't worry. This is usually an easy anti-cheat issue, and in most cases, you can fix it yourself in just a few steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest solutions to get your game launching again, whether you're trying to open Fortnite or another Epic Games title. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is verify your game files inside the Epic Games launcher. This is the quickest and easiest fix because it checks whether any required files are missing or corrupted. Open the Epic Games launcher and go to your library. Find the game that's giving you the error, then click the three dots next to the game name. From the menu, choose Manage, and then click Verify. Epic will now scan the installation and replace any damaged or missing files automatically. This process may take a few minutes, so let it finish completely before launching the game again. If the error still shows up after verifying the files, the next step is to repair Easy Anti-Cheat directly. Error code 30004 is often caused by the anti-cheat service not working correctly, so this step is very important. Go to the folder where the game is installed on your PC. Inside that folder, look for the Easy Anti-Cheat setup file, usually named easyanticheat_setup.exe. Right-click it and run it as an administrator. Once it opens, choose the repair option if it appears, or let the installer automatically fix the service. After that, restart your computer and try launching the game again. If you're still getting the same error, the next fix is to run a system file checker scan on Windows. Sometimes corrupted Windows system files can interfere with Easy Anti-Cheat and stop your game from starting properly. To do this, click the Windows search bar, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type sfc/scanno and press Enter. Windows will now scan your system and repair any damaged files it finds. This may take some time, so be patient and let it complete before restarting your PC. Another thing that can cause error code 30004 is antivirus or firewall software blocking Easy Anti-Cheat. Some security tools mistakenly think anti-cheat services are suspicious, which can stop the game from launching. To test this, temporarily disable Windows Defender or any third-party antivirus you have installed, then try opening the game again. If the game works after turning it off, you'll know the security software is the cause. In that case, you can add an exception for Epic Games or Easy Anti-Cheat instead of leaving protection off all the time. If none of those steps work, restart your computer one more time and open Epic Games Launcher as an administrator. That extra step can help clear temporary permission problems and allow the anti-cheat service to load correctly. Also make sure your game and Windows are fully updated, since outdated software can sometimes trigger launch issues like this. By now, one of these fixes should have resolved Epic Games error code 30004 and gotten your game working again. The most common solution is verifying the game files and repairing Easy Anti-Cheat, so start there if you want the fastest result. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Epic Games error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.